So guys, I'm gonna show you how I process this lecture. Okay, this is neuroscience at Sapolsky. So I've already seen the video, and here are notes. I read it and I highlighted. Okay, and then remember the illustration that I asked you to do, the homework, this 2-page that's gonna go on my notebook. All right, so I'm gonna use 1 page for the mind map. Okay, this is something like mind map. Okay, don't worry about this. I was talking to someone and then I was just making, it's got nothing to do with it. Okay, so what I do is, this is the issue, right? Whether a person is going to trigger the gun or not. Okay, that's the issue. So I put it in the middle, and then when I read, it starts from, let's see, what happened seconds and minutes before. So the first box, I would just kind of draw something like that. Okay, and the first box will be seconds and minutes before. Okay, now you can read about it, what it says. So then whatever I read here, seconds and minutes before, yeah. So I understood, I processed that in my brain, and it is basically this. I drew this brain. This is brainstem, cerebellum, right? And your prefrontal cortex, it says, I am still analyzing. Let me do it accurately. Okay, it's going slow. Whether the person has a cell phone or the handgun, the prefrontal cortex is analyzing. Okay, but the amygdala, it says, I can't wait. Okay, I'm frightened. I can't wait. I'm gonna shoot. So this is what's going on. But the prefrontal cortex is saying, no, you might make a mistake. That might not be accurate. Let me do it accurately, right? So that's what's going on. The next one is hours and days before. And it'll be the realm of hormone, right? So we have hours and days before testosterone. So I read it. I read the whole thing. This is pretty long. So from here to there, I read it and I tried. Well, I don't have a lot of a picture yet. I might have it later. So I wrote it in my own, however I understood, okay? And then weeks and before, sometimes I have, pictures, like that pictures, okay? This is the brain, okay? And then when you were in mom's womb, what happened? Like, mom is stressed and me too, and amygdala becomes hyperactive, all of that, you'll know, like if you read it, okay? And so I'm gonna have this rough draft, and once I'm done, I'm gonna think more and see how I wanna draw this, and if I need to know how to draw certain things, I might look at, internet, look for some clip art and just copy that and, dress it up, right? So that's what I'm going to do. On the other page, I don't know what I'm going to do here. There's some things that are not, mentioned here, such as oxytocin and a few other things about whether the last things, the aggression, let's see, the PTSD. The last part talks about PTSD, whether a soldier actually fighting in the battle, okay, and killing someone there, or through drone pilot. Those things are not really part of the cycle. So those things I'm gonna just draw it here or something like that. Okay, but this is the idea. Hopefully that helps.